Preparing our Saturday meal. So, magsopas tayo. Ayan. We got that from Christmas, giveaway. So, we have sopas. So, sabi ko, isa na patatas, repolyo, carrots. But, sabi ni Gemini, potato is starchy vegetable. So, tinanggal na lang natin. So, we'll have labanos, sibuyas, kamatis for our salad, and cucumber with mga inasal supa. Ayan. Let's start preparing. Ayan. Good morning again. Na-prepare na natin ang ating sopas. So, we have the sibuyas, bawang, carrots, yung chicken na sa sopas, and repolyo. We'll use patis and garlic salt. Ayan. And then, yung pair natin is a air fryer natin yung ating leg quarter. Nilagay natin sa seafood, soy sauce, and calamansi. Ayan. Saturday meal or Saturday lunch. Gemini, our friend, macaroni noodles is also carbohydrate. So, half na lang ang lagay natin. And then, sabi din ni Gemini, coconut oil is not good, dapat canola. But my sister said coconut oil. So, we're confused. Which one is the real oil? Baka you can comment to guide us. Yes, bawang for our macaroni soup. Next will be the chicken and patis. And for yung chicken and the patis, sibuyas and bawang for our macaroni. Isang kutsara natin ng chicken. Lagyan na natin ng soup. Water. 4 cups of water. 4 to 5 cups of water. Depende kung kayo sa soup. Nalagyan na natin ng 5 cups ng water ang ating chicken para magkaroon ng chicken broth, and cover natin para mas kumulo siya or maluto ang chicken. Yan, pakulo na ang ating macaroni soup. So, we can place the carrots para lumasa sa broth natin. Last natin ilagay ang ating repolyo. Sabi ni Gemini, don't place patatas. Masarap sana yung patatas, but it's starch daw plus the macaroni. Bigyan na rin natin paminta and garlic salt for this. Yung palang macaroni noodles bago natin nilagay doon is binabad natin sa water. Don't know the reason, pero yun ang tinuro sa atin ng ating mga mami. Let's put it in the soup broth. Tingnan natin yung repolyo and macaroni sa ating soup. Macaroni soup. Milk pala ang kailangan natin, milk. Lagyan natin ng half cup ng low-fat milk ang ating sopas. Para creamy siya, but low-fat. Sana okay kay Gemini yung ating low-fat milk for our soap. Salang rin natin ang ating leg quarter, 200 degrees at 10 minutes each side. So, yan, 6 minutes na. Then, ita-turn over natin ang ating chicken leg quarter. Let's turn it over.
When you learn something new, get novelty and nutrition, your brain forms new neural pathways. It literally wires itself through a process called neuroplasticity. And we talk about this in other videos. This means your brain stays adaptable no matter your age or stage of life. Learning also strengthens something called your cognitive reserve. Think of it like a mental buffer that helps protect your brain from memory loss and cognitive decline. The more you learn, the more resilient your brain becomes against aging and stress. It's like doing physical workouts. You're more physically fit, you're more resilient physically.
I think we can place the repolyo na for our soup. Ayan, sobrang dami ng repolyo natin sa macaroni soup natin. Healthy. think luto ng ating macaroni soup with a lot of cabbage or repolyo. Enjoy your weekend at home. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video.